Welcome to PLP. The following presentation illustrates the recommended application of the stainless steel clamp guy marker. The stainless steel clamp is located at one end of the guy marker. Loosen the 9/16 inch bolt in preparation for installation. Have a ratchet or similar tool available to tighten the clamp once it is installed on the strand. The clamp end will be installed on the anchor side of the guy wire. Begin the application by placing the seam of the guy marker tube on the strand and apply pressure so the tube is forced completely over the strand. Bending the tube as shown helps the process. Additionally, sliding the guy marker up on the strand may reduce resistance. Slide the guy marker down into place over the dead end. Ensure the strand is captured within the clamp. Now tighten the clamp to secure the guy marker in place and complete the installation.